Overnight, 6 people sent to the hospital this morning, including at least 2 children, all being treated for carbon monoxide poisoning.
Here's the Pinpoint News Tracker showing you where it happened on Sisson Road in Coventry, which is off of Victory Highway. Eyewitness News reporter Michaela McDonald has the details now live from Hasbro Children's Hospital.
All 6 family members were transported to area hospitals for high CO levels. The children were taken here to Hasbro Children's Hospital, and the adults were taken to Kent County Hospital. And according to the fire department, all 6 showed signs of carbon monoxide poisoning. They will be evaluated at the hospitals, and their conditions are unknown at this time. West Coventry Fire was dispatched to the home on Sisson Road around 1 o'clock this morning after a family member woke up feeling ill. They're investigating what caused the high CO levels.
I guess there was a family member that had gotten up, was feeling ill, felt ill, started talking to somebody else, and they kind of put 2 and 2 together that something wasn't right. We're still in the process of investigating the cause of the situation.
And when we spoke with the fire department, the CO levels were still too high to conduct their investigation into what caused those high levels inside the home. But we will continue to check in with them and bring you any updates on this story as we get them. Live in Providence, Michaela McDonald, Eyewitness News.